Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to create an e-portfolio in Wix. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now, we all know that creating a portfolio for your projects or just basically to promote yourself to different organizations or potential job offering out there, well, is something really helpful. Now, if you don't have an e-portfolio here with the digital age, well, you're missing out here. But the great thing about this one is you can actually use Wix to create your own portfolio. So I will be discussing a few things here to get you set up in your portfolio or e-portfolio here in Wix. So first things first, obviously we want to go and just create your account here in Wix. So just go to wix.com. To be speaking, at the top right, you should see a login or sign up button and just proceed with creating your account. Now you could actually use your Google account when you're signed up, but once you've signed up, how do we start the creation process? Now, if you're suddenly or if you've just recently signed up, typically speaking, it will redirect you to the next page I'll be showing you. But just in case, if not, you're in the dashboard here, you just need to click on the create new site at the top right here and click on use editor. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go and specify a few things. Now, in my case, I don't want to use AI here to build my website. But in this case, if you want to use it, you can go ahead and click on start chat. But let's go ahead and click on setup without chat. Now, from here, we want to go and specify what type of website that we want to create here. So for example, if you want to create an e-portfolio, you want to specify e-portfolio here and click on continue. Now, on the next page, it will start preparing your dashboard here and set things up or a few things for you. So you need to make sure that you specify the correct details when you're setting this up. So first is we want to specify the actual name of our store here, which in this case, you want to go and just enter your name here if you want, or the name of your portfolio. So let's just say it is going to be my portfolio. Now, by the way, you could just enter your name here if you want, but I'm just going to basically add my name and portfolio here as an example. Let's go and click on continue. Now, from here, it's going to ask you which apps you want to install here. Now, the great thing about Wix here is you can actually integrate other platforms or apps here. Like, for example, if you want to add blogs into your website, you could go and choose blogs. If you want to add your Instagram feed, you could go and choose Instagram. But by default, the portfolio option is added. But yeah, so go ahead and just search for any apps that you want to add here, like videos if you want, even stream or sell your videos here as well. Let's go and click on continue. Now, from here, it's going to say you're all set up. Let's go and click on continue to dashboard. Now, to fully set up your store your portfolio here in Wix, you need to do a few things. Like, for example, you want to connect your domain here. You want to set up your project to your portfolio, design your site, get found on Google, and discover Wix Enterprise. But out of all the steps that you are seeing here, the first thing that I would really recommend you try doing here is you want to design your site first, because other things here will actually follow. Let's go and click on design your site. Click on design site here. And from here, you want to choose one of the following options. So you could choose from a number of templates that is available within the platform, or you could use AI here to generate a design. Now, in this case, since we want to basically choose from already existing templates out there, let's go and click on pick a template. Now, by the way, if you want to use AI here to create your portfolio, go ahead. This is just an example for you. But yeah, let's go ahead and choose one that we like. So for example, we are a designer here, right? If you're a writer here, you may want to switch over to different other designs or templates here. But let's go and choose this one. Let's go and click on edit. And it should apply that design into our Wix website. Now, from here, you want to go and start editing it. But I'll be giving you an overview on what things you can actually access and do here on your Wix editor. Now, there are going to be a lot of things here that you could do, but I'm going to discuss you the major things. So, generally speaking, this is your editor here. Now, you can go and click on X at the top right here to, if you don't want to enhance your content. But yeah, so I did have side. These are the major tools that you can access here. You have the option to add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So first, let's go and discuss the add elements option. Now, the add elements option here allows you to add different elements. So that includes text, images, buttons, menu galleries, videos, embed code here, socials, like for example, you could add like Facebook links or Twitter or X here or TikTok or even YouTube, and again, a lot more here. Now, if you want to add like pre-built sections, so if you're not aware yet, section is different for elements. Sections actually are contains or containers full of elements, which in this case allows you to really organize what a specific section is going to appear. Like for example, this is one whole section, and this one is another whole section, which allows you to organize your website or reorganize your website. Now, if you click on sections or add sections here, I have the option to add like welcome sections, about sections, team sections, contact here as well. And so if you click on pages here, this allows you to navigate your pages and basically see the content and edit the look of that specific page. So if you click on pre-project page here, this will redirect you to your projects page, which allows you to basically view or edit the design itself. Now, you also have the site design, which allows you to basically change the overall look or color or design of your website. Like for example, I want to use the contemporary site color here. If you click on it, it will be automatically updating the actual site look. Now, this is a great way for you to make things more consistent throughout your website. Now, if you want to add more functionalities, you can go ahead and click on the WIX app market, which allows you to search and add different apps into your website. Now, you could also go to My Business here, which allows you to manage your already existing apps. And you also have like media here, which allows you to manage your videos and photos, and also CMS, which is something advanced here. It's like your database on your website. But so obviously, whenever you click on an element here, this allows you to have a few options. Like you can design the text, you can edit the text itself, and a lot more. So obviously, there are going to be a lot of things that you view here depending on which element you're accessing or editing. We have a bunch of options. But for now, let's go back into our dashboard. Now, if you want to add your projects now, you want to go to the portfolio at the left side here. You want to go to projects. And from here, you should be able to see all the projects that you have. But if this is the first time that you're accessing this, you need to answer a few things. Like, for example, we are a UI UX design here. Let's go and click on next. And from here, you can upload your images here and even create your portfolio. Let's go and upload from computer. Let's go and choose one sample here. Click on open. And from here, you can go and click on generate projects. It's going to start analyzing the images that you've uploaded here and basically create your project. As you can see, project title here, you can edit that, the description. Let's go and click on create portfolio. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, our projects or our portfolio is now set up. Now you can add other projects as well. You can go and click on add project at the top right, or you can go and click on the edit button that you see here. Like also manage this projects here. Like, as you can see, you can delete, hide, duplicate, or share this project. Let's go and click on edit. Now, the edit page and the new project here is pretty much the same thing. You can edit the title, description, basic information like the location, date, role, and project type, link, and custom information here. So basically, you can add like information or the label for it and basically describe what this project is all about. Like, you can also add like media to it, like photos or videos here. You can do other things at the right side here. For example, you can add this to your portfolio. You can manage your portfolio here. You can basically edit its SEO, like share this project as well, and edit the SEO settings. But once you're done, just click on save and close at the top right to save your changes. Now, in this case, obviously, there are going to be a lot of other things that you could do here, like, for example, setting up your custom domain, getting found on Google, and WIX Enterprise here. Now, you just need to click on the appropriate steps here in order for you to basically complete your setting up your web page here. But in this case, those are the basic things that you need to know here in order for you to get started. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.